Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Tim Hortons candy cane hot chocolate. Almost said peppermint. So this one's candy cane. There's a peppermint one that you can get from Starbucks and McDonald's. I really like that mocha and hot chocolate version. This one is candy cane. It also comes in a white chocolate version. I just got the regular hot chocolate with the candy cane. So there's a little bit, can't really angle the camera there, but there's some, I guess, I don't know what it's called, whipped cream on the top and sprinkles and the candy cane flavored hot chocolate. Amazing. That's really good. I like the foam at the top. It's really nice, and then it honestly has not too overpowering of a flavor, but just good enough that it feels like Christmas, festive time. I like that a lot. To be fair, I've had these a couple times already this year, and I really like it. I think it's the best thing Tim's has in terms of like a not caffeinated beverage. I don't go to Tim's a whole lot. I usually go to Starbucks or McDonald's, but their candy cane hot chocolate it's something different. I still like the peppermint from other coffee places, but this one is just, I don't know, it's unique. Every time that Christmas season comes around, I'm always excited to go get this one because, again, it's very different. Yeah, I went to Tim Hortons to get, they had a couple specialty donuts. They didn't have any donuts except for a coconut one, which I did another video on. And I was actually surprised by the coconut donut. It was really good, but I was also disappointed that I couldn't get any cool donuts, and they didn't even have the Tim Biebs. But this coffee, I guess hot chocolate, this hot chocolate, I really like. I'm going to give it one more sip, and I'll give my final review. Yeah, this is just very unique. No other way to put it. I really like candy cane flavored things, and candy canes they got their own unique kind of like taste to it. So I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. It is a special festive drink. Tim Hortons, even though they got different little cups here, I kind of like this design. This is cool. But the classic cups from the early 2000s, those are the best. I just saw a meme on Instagram about that, and it's been circulating around. Those cups were good. Tim, if you're watching this, please bring back those cups. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.